So in this video, we will know how to create payroll using CSV. So let's see how to do it, how to use it.
So after downloading this CSV file, and this you will know how to upload this payroll using CSV. So whatever columns you will add in that template. It will show you like this: gross salary, HRA, conveyance, whatever columns you will add, it will look like this. But suppose while making payroll you have selected 10 columns, but in the CSV file you defined only 20 columns, then script will only add that 10 columns only which you have selected while making payroll only. So this will happen in this, and name should be exactly same as case sensitive. So it will be look like this: gross salary, HRA, whatever you will add, you can add manually. Like whatever you will add, you can add and just save it. You can save it.
So in this, you can upload that CSV file, whatever you have maintained before, whatever payroll columns you have added in the CSV file, whatever CSV you have maintained, you can upload it here. Just click on this and just choose file and just select it. So it will be selected and attached here, which you can save it. So after that, process it. It will show you like this: whatever columns you have added, like gross salary, HRA, conveyance. If other columns you will add, it will show you in this.